Howdy, Steve Yarish here from Bear Creek Ridge Farm. We have some bird feeders around our house, and if you didn't notice, birds don't have a lot of manners. They like to spill their seeds everywhere, and it falls on the ground. 2 months later, you're like, I don't remember planting those flowers, and surprise, it's from the birds. So we're just kind of build like a little cute little thing, at least we hope it's cute, to kind of catch the seeds once they knock it out of the bird feeder. And some of the other birds maybe can come and get it. We have some mourning doves here, and they're a little too big for the bird feeder. So we're hopefully they can kind of jump on here, get the seeds that fall over, so we don't waste any of the seeds. So how are we going to do this? Really easy. We've got this screen, just like you put in the window. You can get like a square one, whatever you want, from Home Depot or Lowe's, whatever. And then just simple latticing. So we're going to kind of use that. I've already pre-drilled some holes here. Let's see if I can line them up to get them correct as I put in the screws. So let's find out. Hopefully I can. If it's the right way, that will help. So let me check, make sure. That one in there. Put one in here. All right, on this side. Let's try to fix that. I'll try to get that fixed. There we go. Get this one in. All right, so we've got this lattice like that, so it'll kind of catch the seeds as it falls off. All right, on the other, we're gonna flip it over so that this is the top side, so you kind of look at it, kind of nice. We have some, what are these, eye screws. I tried to find smaller ones at Home Depot. I could not find any, so I just grabbed these. You don't need to use ones quite as big as that, so what we're gonna do is just screw these in here. If I made the holes big enough, and I did not. So now you get to see me doing this. Just real quick. Alright. Holes a little bigger. This is my first video, people, doing anything like this, so it's going to be some learning. There we go. Oh, not quite big enough. So why are we putting these in? So basically we can have wire and kind of hold it underneath the bird feeder. All right. You can use whatever you want. Maybe it's not lattice. Maybe you just want to use the screen itself. Either way is fine. This is just something we're trying to see how it looks. So hopefully all the birds can enjoy the seed. That's tight. go. Promise the ones in the future will be much more exciting and well planned out. Hopefully. Alright, those aren't going anywhere. Alright, now what we're going to use is just basically some thin gauge wire. Nothing too fancy. And what we're going to do is attach it to the screws. Kind of take it to the top, so you have one, four of these holding it to the top, and then we'll just kind of attach it to the bottom of the bird feeder. So I will do that shortly, and then we'll show you what it looks like on the bird feeder. All right, hold on tight. This is what it looks like once it's hanging up on the tree. You can kind of see it just hanging there, ready for the birds to come on it with the seeds. You can kind of see that there's already been a few seeds that have fallen on it. May not have been there long enough. They're probably a little nervous in what this new thing is, but soon enough they will learn to love it. All right. Now you can also do some other options. If you just buy some separate screen, you can staple that to the bottom if you don't want to buy that window screen. Lots of different options, lots of different things you can do. So good luck.